What's up, Prime Drivers? Matt here to take you through your workout for the day. So we got short 15-minute piece. This is going to be cardio based, but we're going to kind of hit full body movements in it. And so we're going to get started off here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to start a timer up. You're just going to follow along with me. We're going to get crazy. We're going to get after it. And you're going to burn some calories as we go through all of this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 1 minute of squats. So as you know, we've done versions of this. And so you can do holding on to the deer guard. You can do it regular freestanding. I'm going to start off with freestanding squats. So get ready, get set up. And we're going to do all of this right here with just your body weight today, starting now. All right. 1 minute of squats, just down and up. Nice and easy. Starting off, first exercise of the day. Don't go too crazy. Let's just get the lungs warmed up a little bit, lungs opened up. And if you need to, come up here and do them on this as well. Totally doable. If you can't get this far, then just go where you can, right here. If you got hip problems, knee problems, shorten your depth up a little bit. Still getting a good workout for those major muscle movements in the legs. I'm going to stand right here and go up and down. Ten seconds left. After this, we're going to mountain climbers off the deer guard. So transition over, and we're going to go right here. And just go up like this, marching. If you want to make it harder, you can go lower and you can chug your legs. You want to go even harder, you can go down here, and that's going to bring in a lot of core strength too. So pump out your legs as fast as you can go. We got 20 seconds left. You do them on the ground too, but a little bit dirtier on the ground. Keep chugging, don't stop. We're going into jumping jacks, so get ready. We got 3 seconds left. Jumping jacks, just regular. And I'm not going to talk during these because it's going to mess my mic up. "30 seconds. Halfway there. Good. All right. We're going to transition over to the deer guard. We're going to do some push-ups. So, 1 minute. Going right here, down and up. Nice and easy. If you need it easier, you can go like on the side of your truck over there. But this is perfect. If you want it harder, go harder and go down there. Or on the ground. We're gonna stand right here though. If you've been working out for a while, following this program, you might need to go down on the ground or on your knees. 30 seconds left. After this, we're going to do a simple rest for a stretch, and then we're going to get back into it for 2 more rounds of that. All right, 10 seconds. Finish strong. Keep going. And good. So your hands are already up here. We're going to do a minute rest. Nice deep breathing. So from here, hands up here, and let your head sink down. Fantastic upper back stretch. Deep breathing, nice and easy. for 1 minute. If you need to get a drink, get a drink, and then get into at least a few seconds of this stretch. 30 seconds. Oh, this is a great one. My back gets super tight sitting down all day, which I'm sure your guys' does too. That's a fantastic one to loosen it up. All right, 15 seconds. Catch your breath. Shake it out for a second. We're gonna get back into it with some squats. Now, if you need to go faster on these, feel free to take it into a jump too. No matter how advanced you are, you can always benefit from doing different variations of the movements. So if you need to go from here, up, and then go up at the top, and come back down, nice soft legs, you can do jumps. The key on that is just soft knees. You don't want to land and have rigid knees because it means the pressure's not dissipating where it needs to. All right, getting there. After this, we're gonna do mountain climbers off the deer guard. Let's do 2 more, 1 and 2. All right, catch your breath for a sec. And now we're going into some mountain climbers. So right here, up and down. We're gonna do 30 seconds like this. And then I'm gonna throw in a twist at the end. 20 more seconds. And then we're gonna mix it up. All right, let's do a couple more here. Now we're gonna twist. So twist, twist. So go to opposite elbow with your opposite knee. It's gonna work the abs a little bit different. You can work some of those rotation muscles. And it's gonna loosen up your back a little bit if you're doing it right. All right, after this, we got jumping jacks. So 1 minute of jumping jacks, and let's go. $30 seconds left. If you need to go slower, you can just do some simple up and downs like this, and then something like this. And then when you catch your breath, back into it. All right, we're going into push-ups. Push-ups, and go. You can tell these are getting more intense as we go, and that's good. You gotta adapt. You gotta keep doing more and more and pushing your body the places you didn't go before. 20 seconds in, 40 seconds left, and then we got another stretch. Almost there. Push it. We're gonna go down a little bit further. Can't get as much depth on this, but it's still good. 20 seconds, going back up. All right, let's change it up a little bit. Let's go wider. Wider, it's gonna hit that outer portion of the chest and shoulders. We're gonna do 10 seconds like this. Two, one, into a stretch. From here, same thing, just like this right here. Relaxing. Deep breaths, catching your breath if you can. From another 45 seconds, then we got 1 round left. Good back stretch. Let's hang out for about another 15 seconds. And then I stand in there all day. That feels great. Okay, 10 seconds left. We're going into squats again. Last round. Squats, mountain climbers are our first two exercises. If you need to take a break, pause it, take a break, and get back into it. Let's go. Only way you're going to improve is if you push through those boundaries. Most of the time your body can make it. It's your mind you have to convince. So push yourself for 15 minutes each day. Halfway there for our squats, and then you're done with them. And seconds, we're going to mountain climbers. Let's do 2 more. 1, 2. All right, shake it out. Let's get into some mountain climbers. Nice and easy marching or running. I'm just gonna do marches right here. You go as fast as you can go. After this, we got probably what's the hardest in those jumping jacks, because that's going to jack your heart rate up there. So let's get after it. We got 2 minutes left. 2.5 exercises left. Let's go. Six seconds, and then we're going in jumping jacks. All right, ready? And let's hit it for a minute. And 30 seconds left. Don't worry about it. If you can't do it all, jumping jacks in that minute, just go like this right here. All right, let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, last thing, push-ups. And let's go. Right there. There goes our workout, folks. We can't do it anymore. Just kidding. All right. Let's keep going. If you need to do it easier, you can go up to something easier. Go up to here. Probably the side of your truck's the best place for that. But make it work. Put in the work. 30 seconds left. Let's go close for a few. So close, right here. These are too easy. Go on the ground to do them. Lower yourself a little bit. Let's go wide. All right, stick with me. We got 10 seconds. Let's go. Pump them out. And good. Let's sink into a stretch. 1 minute. 1 minute. Fantastic job today. It's what it's all about, is using what's all around you to create a healthier life for yourself. You can get a little bit more physically fit. Do about 20 seconds more here. Deep breathing in and out. Good, fantastic work. We're done in 14 minutes, 45 seconds, and that's your Fit in 15 workout.